first time we are doing such a big grand show, and like thanks
to college
yes for giving us home.
Fabrics used like Mysore silk, raw silk, and Dupian silks.
try to using sustainable things like embroidery which are using by yeah.
Hello everyone, I want to share my experience from Elixir 2025, a wonderful event by NIF Global Salt Lake. We really enjoyed it. The best part was the fashion show. The dresses were not just only beautiful, but the best thing was they were designed by the students themselves. I was truly surprised and inspired. The students looked so confident and creative, it made me feel confident and happy to see how talented they are. I think NIF Global Salt Lake is doing a great job by giving the students a chance to show their skills. This event was not just fun, it was also full of learning and inspiration. If you ever get a chance to attend this kind of event, you should definitely go. And also, I'm very thankful to NIF Global Salt Lake for giving me the opportunity to visit and experience the wonderful program. And also keep watching this video because I have interacted with few of the students regarding the designs they made. So enjoy this video. We're here with the designers, fashion designers of NIF Global Salt Lake, and they had their ramp walk and they will discuss few things about their designs and their theme. So can you just share us the theme and story behind your designs?
So our inspiration for the collection was Mysore Palace, and as you can see, we've used the intricacies and colors of Mysore Palace so that we could showcase its heritage and culture and keep the audience in an awe.
Can you first tell us about yourself?
Yeah, hi, this is Rapax King, and today we are here for the show Elixir NIF Global, and I was talking about this dress and it's feeling very comfortable. Actually, I don't know about this theme, so from a left side, they are designer, so they explain you better than me, right?
Okay. So hello, can you just explain about the theme, the character, what is wearing?
Okay, basically this is the their inspiration about Konark Chakra. Then their motif about
Konark Chakra wheel, the lion motifs, the statues outside the Konark Chakra. We have took inspiration from there, and we have developed intricate patterns and placed it in our garment.
What fabrics or techniques did you use to make those designs?
So we fabrics used like Mysore silk, raw silk, and Dupian silks, velvet also, and for the replicate the works and designs. So we used Zardozi work, and all are like handmade Zardozi.
That's great.
Try to using sustainable things like embroidery which are using by yeah. So this is all about the sustainable thing.
Design is you had to put some creativity and vibrancy, right? So how much time did it take for you to plan this out and then execute it?
So we started our process like 2 months ago, but we completed this whole garment collection in 1 month.
So you guys will be graduating from NIF Global Salt Lake, right? This year. Any part of the dress or design that you guys like the most?
Yes, the lower burst corset. That one. Yeah.
Share us the experience while working on it, because it's the first time your design has been showcasing on the ramp walk, right? So how do you feel about it?
So we are very nervous also and very excited because it's our first time we are doing such a big grand show, and like thanks
to college
yes for giving us home
so many opportunities.
So you guys probably you guys worked on one design, right? So how much time did it take for you?
So this embroidery took a bit long time, but the construction of this garment was in a very short time, like 1 or 2 days. But the embroidery took like 3-4 days.
How much time did it take for you guys to complete the design?
It's like 2 months approx.
Okay. So normally first you guys draw the designs, right? And after that you put it in the.
Used to make first 12 feet and then the final garment. Yeah.
It's pretty amazing. It's beautiful, and I appreciate your hard work. Yeah.
So we used the Zardozi, which is the most luxurious embroideries in India. We used that like beads, Zardozi, and sequins and
Booleans,
booleans. Yes, and to complete our embroidery.
That's great, and it was actually really nice, like seeing your dress on the ramp walk. It was really, the art is amazing, and also I appreciate your guys' hard work. And yeah, I also wish you all the best and thank you for giving us the time for.
Thank you
Okay,
so much.
okay, thank you. Your art looks very beautiful, and also I wish you all the best. Okay, and thank you for the time. I appreciate it. Okay. Okay.